I make things simple. The way I introduced blockchain technology in my workshops allow everyone from every background, tech and non-tech, to understand each other and want to work together. During a workshop, a senior IT engineer was impressed with the way I put things in context and that even he could understand something better. Not everyone who understands the technology is really ready to have you understand it. Have you ever felt that, aha, I get it? When you experience this level of clarity, you're more confident about the risks you want to take. It's a real booster for teams. Now you've experienced innovation together and it sticks. Innovation and human resource directors, especially if you're not convinced that blockchain technology can actually be made clear for your teams and your people.